Raja, Department of IAC, SJB80. Today I'll be explaining Web Technology Lab and its application.
Good morning all. We'll be studying with the second program of your web technology. What is the task of your second program in web technology? Okay. What is the task? Write a JavaScript that calculates the squares and cubes of a number from 0 to 10 and output HTML text that display the result value in an HTML table format. This is your first lab, that is your second lab programming language, where your table format will be there for your second module. It will present in your second module. Okay. How to get an output? Okay. See here. What is the output or the design? What we get will be designing the code first. Then you can easily understand the code, right? Okay. We'll be understanding the design first. Okay. See here. Program 2. You have to calculate. You have to write a JavaScript that calculates the squares and cubes of a numbers, and it should be displayed in a table format. That is the task of the program. Okay. See, you have to get in. The program tells you that you have to write an header tag, or the value should be displayed in header, and your title should be there, it seems. Okay, we'll write the title first. Anything title. I'm not just saying that you have to write the same title. Anything you can get, but the title should be present, stating that the JavaScript that calculates the squares and cubes of a numbers in a table format. Okay, the table format should be like this. Table format should be like this. Okay, where three rows will be represent numbers, squares, three headers, cubes. This is called as an table headers. This is an table headers, and you have to just calculate its value, that is 0 1 up to 10. It seems up to 10 you have to calculate, and you have to calculate this equivalent squares and cubes. Okay, this is all a table data. This is called as a table data. This is a table header. This is a table data. Okay, now we'll just go with the code, then you can understand how it is here. JavaScript that calculates the squares, and this is a title tag. It will be present. Okay, done. Okay, table border you have to give. You have to start with a table. You have to start with a table. Table border should be given. Numbers, squares. Yes, the same way what we have written. What we have written. This numbers, squares, and cubes. Yes, we have written. Next, for loop. I'm just opening my for loop where tr and t data. Tr is nothing but table row. Td is nothing but table data. For table row, insert table data, insert the value n. What is the value of n? That is 0. For 0, first n represents a number s plus n into n, that is your square, n into n into n, that is your third row data. Understand the concept, understand that line. Very easy, you can understand. First just understand first data, that is plus n plus, it is of your numbers, td, that is plus n into n. Here I'll just write this and you can understand here. This is n, this is n, this is n, plus this is n, this is plus n into n plus. Okay, this is your plus n into n into n plus. Okay, this is value number, this is square, and this is your cubes. Okay, up to where you have to do, up to from starting from 0 to 10. Just display it, that's it. And close the tags, close the script tag, close your body tag, and close your HTML. Okay, are you all getting? Thank you all. This is your second program of web technology with lab.